Hello guys, nice to meet you here. Today, I want to explain how to create a function without a return name in Python. In Python, functions are defined using the def keyword. To create a function without a return value, we need to include a return statement at the end of the function. So, I want to type def write run brackets s, n. Okay. Now we give many space the bottom of def write, and for I in range run bracket 0, n. Okay. And we give more space print run bracket s. Okay, now it's for usage example. Now I type write apostrophe Python apostrophe comma 3 . So okay, it will display Python word Python words 3 times. Okay, so you can see in my screen. Now I want to type write run brackets apostrophe ruby apostrophe comma 5, and this code is for display ruby words 5 times, and you can see in my screen. And now I want to type for I in range run bracket 1, 11 run bracket, and you give space, some space, if run bracket I percent 2 equivalent double equivalent 1, and yes, you just give more space, right run bracket I comma 1, and yes, definitely it is for display number 1. I want to press the enter button in my keyboard, and you can see the result. Okay, there are the number of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In the code example, we define a function with the name write run bracket. The function has 2 parameters, namely s and n. In this example, the s parameter is used to hold the value to be displayed, and the n parameter is used to hold the number of iterations to be performed. The call will copy the Python value to the variable s and 3 to the variable n, which means that the Python text will be displayed 3 times. When the write run bracket function is executed, no value is returned. This function will only perform the process of displaying data repeatedly. An example of a function like this is called a function without a return value. Okay, that is all from me and hopefully useful. See you in the next video. Thank you.